In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between Continue.Dev, GitHub Copilot, and Cline. When you're deciding which tool is right for your coding needs, it's important to consider your goals, the level of customization you desire, and the complexity you're willing to manage. Let's walk through each option together, and by the end, you'll have a clearer understanding of which tool can best support your development projects. First up, let's talk about GitHub Copilot. This tool is widely appreciated by professional developers due to its simplicity and effectiveness. If you're looking for an intuitive tool with minimal setup, Copilot is an excellent choice. Primarily, if you're using integrated development environments like vscode, Visual Studio, or JetBrains IDEs, you'll find Copilot seamlessly integrates into your workflow. It provides reliable code completion and chat support, making it ideal for professional software projects you tackle on a daily basis. The strengths of GitHub Copilot include excellent autocomplete capabilities, strong repository awareness, and integrated code reviews along with agent features. The benefit here is minimal configuration, allowing you to dive right into your work without fuss. On the downside, Copilot offers less customization, and you'll need a monthly subscription for full access. It also has limited control over prompts and workflows. However, it's best suited for most professional developers who want straightforward support for their coding tasks. Next, let's delve into Continue.Dev. This option is perfect for developers who want complete control over their AI models with extensive customization. If your focus is on privacy and using local AI models, Continue.Dev might be the right fit for you. Its open source nature means you can work with numerous providers like OpenAI, Anthropic, Google Gemini, and local models through Allama. Highly configurable, Continue.Dev can be cost-effective, especially when using local models. The trade-offs include more setup, and the quality can vary depending on which model you connect. Additionally, Continue.Dev might not appear as polished as Copilot, but it's fantastic for developers who thrive on customizing their AI setup. This tool is particularly well suited for those who enjoy tailoring their AI stack, adapting solutions to fit their exact requirements. Finally, we have Cline. If you're searching for a sophisticated AI coding agent that goes beyond mere auto-completion, Cline is an excellent contender. It enables you to modify multiple files, run commands, and debug with AI assistance. It's perfect if you're comfortable with reviewing AI-generated changes and are looking for an agentic workflow that can inspect projects and execute various tasks. While Cline supports multiple model providers and excels in refactoring and automation, be prepared for API costs to add up. The complexity of Cline compared to Copilot requires a careful review of changes it generates. A good example of a typical workflow might be asking Cline to analyze a React project, identify unused components, update imports, and create a summary. Such workflows make Cline ideal for advanced developers and power users seeking agent-style coding. So, which one should you choose? If you're a new developer, GitHub Copilot's easy setup and excellent suggestions are likely the best match. If you're an open source enthusiast, Continue.Dev offers the flexibility and local model support you desire. For AI power users, Cline's agent-like approach to coding might just be the perfect fit. Whichever tool you choose, make sure it aligns with your development needs and enhances your coding efficiency.